The disciples of John asked Jesus, why are your disciples not fasting? Kami, disciples of John, nagfa-fast kami. Attitude appropriate doon sa sitwasyon. Yun ang sinasabi. However, on the other hand, you would see the Blessed Mother. Ang mahal na Birheng Maria, ang buhay niya ay halimbawa ng inappropriate, but because of her special role in the salvation history, yung seemingly inappropriate became appropriate. Halimbawa na lamang po, nung siya ay nagdalang tao, never been kissed, never been touched by Saint Joseph, at her very early age, nagdalang tao siya. That seemed to be unsuitable or inappropriate, but because of the special role of the Blessed Mother, it was productive. It was helpful para maituloy ang plano ng Diyos. Remember the wedding at Cana? Nung nawalan na ng maiaalay, mai-offer na alak yung bagong mga kasal, ano ginawa ni Mama Mary? Lumapit siya sa kanyang anak, sa ating Panginoong Jesus, and ask, "My son, can you do something for this couple? Their wine is running out." Ano sabi ng Panginoong Jesus? Why? It's not yet my time. Why are you asking for that? Ano sabi ni Mama Mary sa mga servants? Do whatever He tells you. Gawin niyo kung ano sinasabi ng anak ko. And therefore, even if it seemed to be inappropriate and untimely for Jesus, ibinigay pa rin niya yung hiling ng kanyang nanay. And the miracle of the water turning into wine happened. And that was the first miracle. And that was in the wedding of Cana. Ano sinasabi po sa atin dito? Sinasabi po dito that special role of the Blessed Mother. The very special example of the Blessed Mother. Minsan hindi natin alam kung paano lalapitan ng Panginoon because we feel unfit to approach Jesus. At times, we feel unworthy to come to Jesus, to go to the church, and to participate in the Mass. Minsan, we feel so far from the Lord. But here comes the Blessed Mother to our Poong Jesus Nazareno. But as Bishop June mentioned in his homily during their retreat ng Catholic Bishops' Conference, I think it was yesterday or the other day, ano ang sabi ni Bishop June? When our church and our Quiapo Church was given the approval to be a national shrine, ano sabi sa kanya ng mga obispo? Father June, make sure that the devotion of those in Quiapo Church will be purified, will be enriched. Kailangan na palalimin natin o maging dalisay, tama, at mabunga ang debosyon natin sa mahal na Poong Jesus Nazareno, especially now that it is a national shrine already. Kailangan po nating itama. Meron bang maling debosyon? Meron po. Lalo na kapag nakatuon na ang iyong pananampalataya sa imahe, pero nawala na kung sino yung kinakatawan ng imahe. Tanggap nating masaktan ng ibang tao para lamang makalapit sa imahe ng mahal na Poong Jesus Nazareno. Mali po iyon. Kapag isasakripisyo natin ng buhay ng kung sino man para lang makalapit sa imahe. Because if Jesus Nazareno ay magsasalita sa atin, He will tell us, take care of your life. Respect your life. Respect your body. As much as you should respect and value the life of others. Yun ang sasabihin ng Panginoon. Marami tayong dapat ayusin o itama sa ating debosyon. And the Blessed Mother, Mama Mary, has the expertise on how we can approach her Son Jesus. Let us learn from the Blessed Mother. Give her a space in our devotion. For after all, she knows the best. She knows her Son the most. He knows Jesus more than any one of us in this world. Give her a very special place in our devotion to our Lord Jesus Christ, because she's the mother, and the Son will never deny a mother's requests. Are we fitted? Are we inappropriate? It doesn't matter. As long as we have the Blessed Mother leading us, guiding us, as long as we have the Blessed Mother as an example of a true devotee, a true disciple, a true missionary for our Lord Jesus Christ.